Good morning, everybody. This is Gene at GNS Designs. This morning when I got up, I was going out to get some coffee just before I start my day, and see a construction company coming down the road with a big old trailer. And well, fortunately, I didn't get a phone call that my house was going to be worked on today. So that means my driveway is going to get blocked off. So that means I cannot do any jobs today. So fortunately, thanks to my wife, she was able to reach out to her grandma and let me use their garage. So thanks to her. Appreciate it. That way you still get jobs done. I did have to move a couple out to tomorrow, but I have one customer who really wants their stuff done today. So I'm actually on my way out to her house right now to go pick up her truck. And what I'm going to do to her truck today is going to put some racing stripes. She wants it to look pretty badass. And it's going on a white truck. So white with blue sparkles for a girl. And she wants it all outlined in carbon fiber. So she has a horse farm, so she's pretty busy today. So I told her I would come out and help her out and pick up the truck so that we can get it done. So stay tuned and follow along. And thanks for all of you who's actually been watching me do my business and grow and on my little adventure, and for subscribing and liking me on YouTube. For anybody else who hasn't yet, please do check it out. And see you on the next video. Alright, well, I'm here to pick up the truck, and there's a lot of cool horses out here. She has a lot that she does. She keeps like 25 of them out here. So. Alright, well, here's the white truck we're working on. Nice Colorado. So here's the before, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. Just about, if you don't have to do that, we'll just do it like right here. Line up to this edge. Yep.
Yeah.
I need it hanging over a little bit, but enough to tuck it over. Alright guys, welcome back. I finally got the truck all done. It looks amazing. I hope she loves it. So stay tuned. Here's what it looks like right now before I take it to her. So